What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott, founder of the Perfect Entry Trading System and the Winning Circle FX Group. Shooting this video to give you an update of a trade that we took. Shout out to Jay Bogan, Bogan Effect. He's one of our master traders inside the group. He sent out a signal based off of the Perfect Entry Trading System, a sell signal on the S&P 500. You could have also took it on the NASDAQ 100 or the US 30 because they're very similar. But we saw the signal based off of our ultimate entry or our ultimate signal right here. It's 4 confirmations in one. After the signal, we actually got enter signal or a super beast arrow, which is this yellow arrow here. And if you can see, there's a red clipper with a red arrow here for our Forex extreme signal. So that's 6 to 7 confirmations in one that this uptrend was about to reverse. And right after the signal, not only that, we had a few signals in our oscillators as well. We got a nice pull down. We got a pullback, which is what I love to see. Once we get the signal, I love to see these pullbacks. When we got the pullback and the pullback came here, it came right above back to our resistance area, which is another tool inside the system. I put some sell stop orders in. And now, as you can see, when the market reopened back up at 603, it continued to go down, activated all of my orders, and put us directly into profit. All of these red lines are basically my stop losses. All of these stop losses are in profit. I secured the bag on every single one of these trades. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, accumulating over 700 points so far in the market. If you were to go in a higher time frame, this has much more room to go down. So we're just going to watch it. We're going to see how much we can get off of this trade. But as of right now, we secured the profits. We caught an amazing entry all the way at the top. This is my first entry at the very top. You could not get no better than this entry right here. And we have a few more entries as we went down. This perfect entry trading system is not the holy grail. It is not perfect. It's not 100%. Nothing in life is perfect. Nothing in trading is 100%. I don't care who tells you it can be. Nothing is 100%. You're going to catch the L's. You're going to catch losses. But that's what the risk management is for. The education is for. That way you can minimize your losses and extend your wins. Right now, we caught an amazing entry on S&P 500. Shout out to the team. Shout out to Jay Bogan for sending the signal. Shout out to the PET system for giving us the setup. If you want access to the PET system, get in contact with me or anybody inside the Winning Circle group. That way you can join our team. Not only join our team to get access to the tools, but you also get access to the education, full education for Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, indices, commodities, all markets. There's 7 markets. You can take advantage of all 7 of them once you understand these charts and you read the charts like a pro. You need to know your technicals. You need to know your fundamentals. You need to practice proper risk management. There's a lot of things that we have inside of our platform that is going to help you become a better trader. If you're trying to allow your money to make money for you in these markets right now, Forex is recession proof. There's a lot of people that are getting laid off of their jobs. There's a lot of people that have to rely on unemployment because they can't go to work even if they wanted to. Forex right now is the means of a lot of people's ways of making money online. Not only that, of course, there's a business side to the company as well where you can make residual income. We have people on the team that are, including me, myself, we're making anywhere between $500 to $10,000 every single month. My personal sponsor is making $100,000 a month. Of course, again, like I said, results will vary. Those results are not typical. You have to work, you have to study, you have to educate, you have to follow the training in order to get the results that you deserve. But if you are looking for a way to multiply your money, if you're looking for a way to add a little bit of take a little bit of pressure off your shoulders during this quarantine time, during this recession or this Great Depression, then contact me, anybody inside the Winning Circle group. We can send you some information for you to look over. Therefore, you can make a wise decision that can change or impact the financial future from today forward for you, yourself, your family, and anybody that you come in contact with. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on an opportunity that can put you on the right side of this recession. When the smoke clears, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be struggling because they're not going to be able to go back to work. Learn the skill set, learn how to trade, develop an organization where you can get paid weekly residual income on top of your daily profits by following our trades. You don't have to understand fully what's going on. We're going to teach you from the very beginning. We're going to put you in a study group. We have a 2-week study group to where people are literally learning how to trade within 2 weeks. They're jumping inside of the market with us, our team, based off the signals, the setups, the perfect entry trading system, and their education. And they're now making daily profits just from the market. The Forex market is recession proof. The stock market, crashed. The real estate market, the credit market is about to crash. When it crashes, us as traders are able to make money. If you're trying to buy stocks and just now trying to get into the game of stocks and cryptocurrency, and you're buying stocks right now, you might be putting yourself in a bad situation. You don't want to just buy them. You want to be able to trade the stocks. You want to be able to trade the currencies and the cryptocurrencies. And in the foreign exchange market, you can do just that. So even if it does crash, just like right now, this is basically the overlook of our economy. The S&P 500 is like the top 500 companies in the United States. The stocks of the 500 companies in the United States. In the last few hours, the stocks have been going down. Guess what? Us as traders are making money based off of the crash of the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, any market thereof. So if you want to take advantage of this small window of opportunity, because in history, this has never happened before. We are in a pandemic. There are people that are literally being sent home. We are being quarantined. Our kids are being sent home. This has never happened before. This is a part of history, and you are a part of it. You do not want to get left on the wrong side when this clears up. So hopefully you make a wise decision that will impact the better for you, yourself, your family, and generations to come. Get in contact with me, get in contact with anybody inside of our Winning Circle group that we can get you started today. Get started as soon as possible. That way you can start learning the skill set so you can take advantage of it, so you can benefit from it during the recession. I see you guys in the next video.